What I wish I knew about BMI when I started my fitness journey. When I first embarked on my path to better health and fitness, I was bombarded with a plethora of information. Among the many terms and concepts thrown my way, BMI, or body mass index, was one that stood out. It seemed like everyone was talking about it, but I didn't fully grasp its significance or how it could impact my journey. I wish someone had broken it down for me in simple terms, explaining not just what it is, but also its limitations and how to use it effectively. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of BMI together. Let's dive in. BMI stands for Body Mass Index. It's a term you'll often hear in discussions about health and fitness. But what exactly does it mean? Essentially, BMI is a numerical value derived from your height and weight. It's a quick and easy way to categorize individuals into different weight categories, such as underweight, normal weight, overweight, and obese. This categorization helps in assessing whether a person is at a healthy weight for their height, which can be an indicator of potential health risks. However, it's important to remember that BMI is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to understanding your overall health. It's a simple way to figure out if you're in a healthy weight range. By calculating your BMI, you can get a rough estimate of whether your weight is within a healthy range for your height. This can be particularly useful for identifying potential health risks associated with being underweight, overweight, or obese. For instance, a high BMI can be an indicator of excess body fat, which is linked to various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. On the other hand, a low BMI might suggest that you're underweight, which can also have health implications like malnutrition, weakened immune system, and osteoporosis. All you need is your height and weight. The beauty of BMI lies in its simplicity. To calculate your BMI, you don't need any fancy equipment or complex procedures. All you need are two basic measurements, your height and your weight. These are measurements that most people can easily obtain at home or during a routine visit to the doctor. Once you have these numbers, you can use a simple formula to calculate your BMI. This makes it a convenient tool for quickly assessing your weight status. Here's the magic formula: weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. Let's break it down. First, you need to measure your weight in kilograms. If you usually measure your weight in pounds, you can easily convert it to kilograms by dividing the number of pounds by 2.2. Next, measure your height in meters. If you're more familiar with feet and inches, you can convert your height to meters by multiplying the number of inches by 0.0254. Once you have your weight in kilograms and your height in meters, you simply divide your weight by the square of your height. The resulting number is your BMI. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms and are 1.75 meters tall, your BMI would be calculated as follows: 70 divided by 1.75, which equals 22.9. Now, what do the numbers mean? Once you've calculated your BMI, the next step is to interpret the number. The BMI scale is divided into several categories that help you understand what your BMI means in terms of your weight status. These categories are based on ranges of BMI values and are used to classify individuals as underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. Each category has its own implications for health, and understanding where you fall on the scale can provide valuable insights into your overall health and potential risks. A BMI under 18.5, that's considered underweight. If your BMI is less than 18.5, it falls into the underweight category. Being underweight can be a sign that you're not getting enough nutrients, which can lead to a variety of health issues. For example, underweight individuals may experience weakened immune systems, making them more susceptible to infections and illnesses. They may also have lower muscle mass and bone density, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. If you find yourself in this category, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying causes and develop a plan to achieve a healthier weight. Between 18.5 and 24.9, you're in the healthy zone. A BMI between 18.5 and 24.9 is considered to be within the normal or healthy weight range. This is the range where the risk of weight-related health issues is generally lower. Maintaining a BMI within this range is often associated with a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and overall good health. However, it's important to remember that BMI is not the only measure of health. Factors such as muscle mass, fitness level, and overall body composition also play a crucial role in determining your health status. So, while being in the healthy BMI range is a positive indicator, it's just one aspect of your overall health. 25 to 29.9, that's overweight. If your BMI falls between 25 and 29.9, it is classified as overweight. Being overweight can increase the risk of various health problems, including heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. It's a signal that you may need to make some lifestyle changes to improve your health. This could involve adopting a healthier diet, increasing physical activity, and making other positive changes to your daily routine. It's important to approach weight management in a sustainable and healthy way, focusing on long-term habits rather than quick fixes. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance and support in achieving a healthier weight. Over 30? That's obesity. But remember, BMI isn't perfect. A BMI of 30 or higher falls into the obesity category. Obesity is associated with a higher risk of serious health conditions, including heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. It can also impact quality of life, leading to issues such as joint pain, sleep apnea, and reduced mobility. However, it's crucial to remember that BMI is not a perfect measure. It doesn't differentiate between muscle and fat, nor does it account for factors like bone density and overall body composition. This means that someone with a high muscle mass, such as an athlete, might have a high BMI but still be in excellent health. Conversely, someone with a normal BMI might have poor muscle mass and high body fat, which can also pose health risks. It doesn't account for muscle mass, bone density, or overall body composition. Because BMI is based solely on height and weight, it doesn't provide a complete picture of an individual's health. For example, two people with the same BMI might have very different body compositions. One might have a higher percentage of muscle, while the other has a higher percentage of fat. This is why it's important to consider other measures of health and fitness, such as body fat percentage, waist circumference, and overall physical fitness. Tools like body composition analyzers and consultations with fitness professionals can provide a more comprehensive understanding of your health. So, use it as a guide, not a gospel. Got it? Great. Think of BMI as a starting point, a simple tool to give you a general idea of where you stand in terms of weight. It's not the be-all and end-all of health assessments. Use it as a guide to help you make informed decisions about your health, but don't rely on it exclusively. Combine it with other health indicators and consult with healthcare professionals to get a more accurate and personalized understanding of your health. Remember, the goal is to achieve a balanced and healthy lifestyle, not just to hit a specific number on the BMI scale. Now you know the basics of BMI in just a minute. We've covered a lot of ground in a short amount of time, but now you have a solid understanding of what BMI is, how to calculate it, and what the numbers mean. You also know its limitations and why it's important to consider other factors when assessing your health. Armed with this knowledge, you can make more informed decisions on your fitness journey. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, understanding BMI is a valuable tool in your arsenal. Keep moving, stay healthy, and tune in for more fitness tips. Catch you later. Remember, the journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay active, eat well, and keep learning. There are always new tips and insights to discover, and we're here to help you every step of the way. So, keep moving, stay healthy, and don't forget to tune in for more fitness tips and advice. We're in this together, and with the right knowledge and support, you can achieve your health and fitness goals. Catch you later. Welcome back to our fitness journey. In this chapter, we'll dive into how to calculate your BMI. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. First, let's revisit the formula. BMI equals weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. To make it clearer, let's go through a couple of examples. Example 1. Let's say you weigh 70 kilograms and your height is 1.75 meters. First, you square your height. 1.75 times 1.75 equals 3.06. Then, you divide your weight by this number. 70 divided by 3.06 equals approximately 22.9. That's your BMI. Example 2. What if you measure your weight in pounds and your height in inches? No problem. Suppose you weigh 150 pounds and are 5 feet 8 inches tall. First, convert your weight to kilograms by dividing by 2.2. So, 150 pounds divided by 2.2 equals approximately 68 kilograms. Then, convert your height to meters by multiplying the total inches by 0.0254. 5 feet 8 inches is 68 inches. So, 68 inches times 0.0254 equals approximately 1.73 meters. Now square your height. 1.73 times 1.73 equals approximately 2.99. Finally, divide your weight in kilograms by the squared height. 68 divided by 2.99 equals approximately 22.7. That's your BMI, and there you have it. Calculating your BMI can be done in just a few steps, providing a quick snapshot of where you stand on the weight spectrum. Remember, while BMI is a helpful tool, it's just one part of the bigger health picture. Use it as a guideline and consult with healthcare professionals for a more comprehensive understanding of your health. Stay tuned for more health and fitness tips. Catch you later. Welcome back. Now that you know how to calculate your BMI, let's explore why it's important. BMI, or body mass index, is a simple yet powerful tool to assess your general health. But what does it really tell you? Firstly, BMI helps identify whether you're underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. These categories are crucial as they correlate with potential health risks. For example, a BMI under 18.5 indicates underweight, which can be linked to malnutrition or other health issues. On the other end, a BMI over 30 indicates obesity, which is associated with a higher risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. But that's not all. BMI can also serve as a wake-up call. If your BMI falls outside the normal range of 18.5 to 24.9, it might be time to take action, whether that's gaining weight for a healthier balance or losing weight to reduce health risks. It's important to remember that BMI is just one piece of the puzzle. It doesn't account for muscle mass, bone density, or overall body composition. For a more comprehensive health assessment, always consult healthcare professionals who can provide personalized advice tailored to your unique body and lifestyle. In summary, BMI is a useful starting point for understanding your health status and potential risks. Use it as a guideline, not a definitive measure, and always aim for a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next chapter.